Probably another 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Shit'll get real. Oh, probably longer than that. They usually, it's about, you have probably about 40 minutes before they...
Mm-hmm. There's a ton of them over there. See that?
Yeah, there is. Birds.
Intense bird. You ever see anything like this?
No.
No. Need like a wide angle lens.
It'll actually, the sun will go down before they do their main thing, so it should
Be a good backdrop.
Yeah, you won't have the sun in the camera.
Cool.
Cole was really excited to come. He was messaging me all day. He was trying to get the camera out and do the paperwork, and I guess the guy that was supposed to approve it wasn't available or wasn't getting around to it.
Mm.
But he said he's going to come out. We're going to try to do it tomorrow.
Yeah?
And if he can't get it then, we're going to try it Thursday. That's why I was saying I didn't want to be like, oh, yeah, guys, come out Thursday. And then...
Look over there, Julie.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, they just like take off.
It's a perfect day.
Yeah, it's nice. Zoom in on that. Oh man.
You see real far out? Oh yeah, they're coming. They're moving. Oh, it's picking up now. Look out right there, and you can see like the
Yeah.
super highway of them coming in. Like just look past everything you see, almost down low, and it looks like a cloud moving. See?
Yeah.
They're like miles. They're probably about a mile out. Where are your binoculars? Right here in front of us. Come on, guys, you know you want to land here. Come on, guys. Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm. I can hear them flapping their wings.
I don't hear it. Because I hear other things. Is that like frogs I'm hearing?
Yeah.
Mosquitoes.
They're getting bad.
I have some mosquito spray.
I'm good. I don't know if David wants it.
I can live for another 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at them, Brian.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow. There they go. They're landing.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's like a tornado.
Now I hear it. Watch some of this.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
We can get closer next time. They're moving that way a little bit. They were landing right in front of us. There's still a lot of them to come.
That's crazy.
So that, what's left there is probably about the size of the ones I've seen.
Go through the binoculars.
They're a little bit further away this time. They moved a little bit. They moved about 300 or 400 yards the other way.
Mosquitoes. Go away.
Good God. Yeah, they're nesting. They're roosting further away. They're not in this head anymore. You know what though? If he had a zoom lens,
Mm-hmm.
it wouldn't matter if we were 400, 500 yards away.
Right.
Mosquitoes are getting bad.
Yeah, we'll be gone. And that's it. No more birds.